Okay, so this is my little foyer area. This door is the front door right here. This is a coat closet. And if you turn around, okay, so right here's the door where I come in. This is the little foyer area. And then if you walk out into this space, you have the living room / dining room combo. It's what this looks like. I don't know if y'all can tell how massive this room really is. And this is another coat closet right here. A smaller one. And right here is the bar area. Actually, I can fit all three of my stools. What was I thinking? Here's the kitchen. Okay, so let me come back this way. Kitchen. This is a pantry door here. It's a little pantry for someone who doesn't really cook. And let me stand back so you can see. I have way more cabinets and counter space than I did in the last apartment. So I have this fancy little water situation. Okay, sis. I didn't have that in my other apartment. So this is all of the counter space. Floor, this is the floor. And then, of course, you know, stove, microwave, all that jazz. And then the cabinets are longer or taller cabinets than what I have. They're darker in color. But look at the space that I have in this kitchen as opposed to where I'm moving from. Like it goes all the way around, bottom and top. I did not have that much storage space in the new place. And those are the pendant lights, track light situation there. My charger, because this phone is about to die, so let me hurry up. So if you turn this way, so this is the living room again, over there. And this area is where you would put your dining room table, because they have that light, which is typically centered over the table or whatever. Okay, so if you come down the hallway here, this is the laundry room area, and that's just utility stuff there. So I have my laundry room here for my washer and dryer. This room right here is the guest bedroom, which is bigger than the one that I have now. And then it has double closets. The only difference in this one and the last one is I had 2 windows side by side. So you only get the one window here. So you have this double closet, which is very good for, oh God, my battery's about to die. Let me hurry. It's gonna be a quick video because it's a small space. My tiny house. So you come out, laundry, turn this way. You have the guest bathroom here. Nothing fancy there, except I get way more storage in this bathroom than I did my last one, because I have drawers. And I didn't have that in my last one. So I have drawers, a wider base here, and they changed out the faucet, so you get these little fancy faucet situation, and then it's a shower tub combo, like I had before. You know, she's a bath girl, but a big nice shower head in case you want to take a really good shower. Coming in here is the master. And I know this camera is not doing it any justice, and I also see in the view that the walls look like they're gray, but they're not. Here is my closet. Where's the light at for this? Okay. Here's the closet, which is humongous as well. Lots and lots. I don't even have that many clothes, so it's like, what? This is a whole nother room for me. This room does have 2 windows. There's the other window there. And I'm loving this freaking room, okay? Oh, I'm so excited. So bathroom, I'll show you this bathroom. This is the second bathroom, my bathroom. Same situation. Drawers, which I didn't have the last time. Your girl got to get organized. And then again, another combo. And back out into the master bedroom. There's the hallway down there. Bathroom. Laundry. Guests. So this is where we just came from, down there. So I still have that same long hallway as I had in the other unit. But look at the space, you guys. Look at the space. In the model home that I looked at when I was trying to decide, because I think they have 2 kinds of 2-bedrooms, a larger one and a smaller one. And in the model, this countertop was not as long as this one. Is the same length as the one I had in the 3. So I actually can fit all 3 bar stools there. So this phone is about to die, but this is the official empty apartment tour. I wish I could show you what this wall looked like in color. That cream colored. Looks gray on here, but it's definitely not. Oh, the patio. The most important thing of all. The reason for the season. Look at the patio. The patio is quite larger than I actually thought it was as well. Okay. That's the patio area. And I'm over here at the patio doors. Oh my God. You'll see exactly the size of this once I bring my stuff in here. But this is what it looks like, you guys. And then I have this big, huge window here, which, and I'm gonna tell you right now it is, oh God, what time is it? Wait a minute, y'all. It's 12:10. So this is the natural light that's flowing in here at 12:10. As you can see. Now you can kind of see the color of the walls now. So this is it, you guys. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, I gotta go unload the car. I will come back, or maybe I won't, I'm not sure, but just stay tuned. And then again, that's down the hallway there. And I'll put the square footage, because I know some of you guys be wanting to know. I'll put that in the on the video somewhere, or either in our furnished. I'm not sure. I gotta look at the dang paperwork, because I'm telling you, this looks different than the model. Like, I'm really, really freaking surprised. Okay, I gotta go. Bye, y'all.